Chicken train, running all day. Chicken train, running all day. Chicken train, running all day. I can't get on, I can't get off. Chicken train, and my chicken's away. Do a little lesson on Ozark Mountain Daredevils chicken train. It's going to be a lesson kind of targeted at beginners, for good for chugging, starting your chugging and getting a groove. This is going to be based on the 3-4-5, around 3-4-5, and then you'll probably drop down into the 2 area there. So the first part's going to be 2 chugs in, 1 chug in, 1 chug out, 1 chug in. So it's going to be and then the second part will be in, out, 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 in. And it's going to sound like I'll put the tabs in the bottom here. And you're going to repeat that. And after you do that 2 times, then you're going to follow it with 3 of the second round, which is and on the 4th time you'll go which is more based on a 3-4-5, so it's essentially the same thing. Instead of doing that, you're going to bounce over. And then you go back to the original riff. Now after the chicken train, when he's singing chicken train, you're going to blow out, draw in on the 2-3-4. And you're going to say ho, duck, doi. Chicken train. And then when he says running all day, you're going to draw in, blow out, draw in. Dwee hoo ho. Chicken train, running all day. That's basically it. That'll get you going. If you got any questions or anything, just leave a comment in the bottom. Hit the like button, subscribe. This is kind of a good jam to get going on. Get your jam down. Mr. Cash had a way of articulating things, so as you begin to progress in your playing, you can hit it more. He's basing it around the 3 draw a lot to get that thump, that offbeat thump. But this will get you going. This is a good one to go down to the bar, have you a beer, sit out on the patio and play. People are going to recognize what you're playing, and you can play and sing to it pretty easy. Get you going pretty quick. Anyways, thank you all. It's Rusty Harp.